Hello my friends and welcome back. I hope today finds you in good spirits. This week the last of my kiddos start back to school for a brand new year, so I decided to take a couple days to clean and organize my house beforehand so we can start the school year off right. Because truthfully, neither one has been happening around here in the last couple weeks as we have been enjoying the last bits of our summer vacation. I've gone ahead and filmed my cleaning session to share with you guys today, and as I work, I will also be sharing some of my new favorite products I've been using and enjoying the last couple of months that I've been wanting to share with you. Starting with the Barkeeper's Friend in the Soft Cleanser. You have to give it a little shake at first, and I have been adding it to my stainless steel pots and pans when they get a little too grimy for Dawn and a scrubby to tackle. It works amazingly well and I'm totally hooked. Now I've used Barkeeper's Friend in different forms, like they have a powder and they have a spray as well, but the soft cleanser is amazing. And when I'm done scrubbing my pots and pans, I'll use whatever's left on my scrubby to clean out my stainless steel sink as well. As I finish off the dishes and load up the dishwasher, I wanted to mention that in this video I also will be sharing some new late summer decor that I did in my living room. It should tide me over until I decide to do my fall decorating in, the next couple weeks or so. And finally, at the very end of the video, I will be putting together a centerpiece for my kitchen island that is fall inspired. So all that coming up in this video. While I was at Walmart recently, I stumbled across Suave's hand soap in lemons and citrus. This stuff smells amazing. This is a great dupe for the Bath & Body Works lemon scented hand soap that I love to splurge on, but this is much less inexpensive and it smells and works just as well. So of course I was super excited to have found it and I have stocked up on it. They also offer 3 other scents in this formula as well. Did you guys spot the adorable pumpkin? He is just so cute. I have a flameless candle in him. I found him at my local Cub grocery store and couldn't pass him up. He's just too adorable. On the same trip to the grocery store, I saw this adorable honey bear. I couldn't pass him up. He was only $2. I just think he's adorable. He totally makes me smile. And this new toaster it's sitting next to makes my family smile. They have been after me for years to get a 4-slice toaster. Our old toaster broke, so I picked out this one and I love its retro look. I think it's so cool. Now that I have all my counters cleaned off, I'm going to go ahead and use my granite and stainless steel cleaner on it. This is by Boulder. And I love this stuff. I actually found it at Aldi and it works amazingly well. It shines and polishes it. It doesn't make the countertops look streaky and cloudy. So I'm loving that this works so well. Now that the kitchen is looking better, I'm going to switch out my laundry real quick before going on to my next step. My mom always taught me to work from top to bottom when I'm cleaning, so next up it is dusting, and I found this new dusting wand from Liebman and I absolutely love it. It has a nice sturdy about 12-inch handle, and then it has this wonderful microfiber nubby cleaning dusting thing that you can take off and put into your washing machine to clean it. And then it slips back on when you want to use it again. This thing is amazing. It's super handy for things up high like door jambs and light fixtures, not to mention things down low like your baseboards, as well of course all of your flat surfaces, but you can also turn it on its side and use the side to get into little nooks and crannies, which I think is pretty awesome. And don't forget the blinds. Since we're in the living room, I can share with you my new nook decor. I came up with this look to use until I decided to decorate for fall, and I love how it turned out. Also in the living room, I switched out one of the white slip-covered chairs for this leather one that I found at the same church sale. I think it's going to work great for the fall, and I kind of like the coziness it brings to the room. Little Rama here is basking in the sunlight of the other chair. With the dusting done, I'm going to move on to the vacuuming. I do have a robot vacuum that I use on the daily, but when I know I'm going to mop, I like to give the whole area a nice good vacuuming before I get started. So along with vacuuming the kitchen, I'll go into the pantry as well. And then on into the back hallway and laundry room and bathroom area. And of course the living room as well. This is going to be kind of silly, but if you're wondering what I have over the carpets, it's a large piece of linoleum that I picked up at Menards. And then I just laid it over the carpet like a rug. And the reason I'm doing this is because Quinn, since the spring, has decided that she is no longer potty trained. And we have been trying very hard to get her trained again. And it's going very slowly, and I'm getting very frustrated. So to protect my carpets, I put down linoleum. This is the only area in the house that she'll do this in. It makes no sense to me. I'm baffled, but this is doing the trick. It makes cleanup so much easier. So we're going to stick with this for a while, even though it doesn't look the best. But in an effort to save my carpets, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So anyways, back to the vacuuming. I vacuumed the dining room as well, down into the entryway, into my office, which is in a horrible state right now, so just ignore that. And then finally, I am vacuuming the steps as well. So I've been working for a few hours. It's about 2 o'clock right now, and I have decided that I am going to take a break and go floating in my sister's pool. But before I do that, on the way to her house, I am going to make some returns. So I'm going to gather up all my stuff here real quick. I've got my returns, my purse, my cup, sunglasses, and my swim bag. So I'm all ready to go, but I've got to clean my bathroom first. It's not too bad right now, but I want to give this area a quick little spot clean. So I'm using wipes for the toilet area. The wipes I like to use are called Nice and Clean, and I pick them up at Costco. These are the best wipes I have ever used. They're nice and large, they are sturdy, and I just love them. So I know that you can get them at Costco. You can also get them on Amazon. So I will make a link down in the description box, as well as list out any links that I can find for the products that I shared in today's video. And this is not a very glamorous product at all, but I love this. I got it off of Amazon. It's made by Clorox, and it's a super handy stand for both a plunger and a toilet brush. I bought one a while back for my master bathroom. Loved it so much that I have since bought one for every single bathroom in our house. They're awesome. And as you can see, that lemon soap from Suave has made it into my bathroom as well. That is how much I love this scent. I recently splurged a little bit on some new hand towels for this bathroom. I picked out this beautiful blue color. I found them on Amazon and I love them. They're a nice medium weight, they're super fluffy, and they dry really quickly in the dryer. So I think they're a win-win. I actually bought some more for my basement bathroom in a nice dark purple, and they are lovely. With the bathroom spruced up, I now can go take a little break, play a little hooky for my cleaning session, and go enjoy some time with my mom, my brother, and my sister in the pool. Off I go. I made it to the pool after making those returns that I needed to get done, and oh my gosh, you guys, this feels amazing. We don't have too many more days like this to enjoy, so I'm so glad that I took the time to come and hang out with them today because it was a nice time. Andy's dog has just discovered that he likes floating on this raft, and it is so hilarious. He keeps going in and out and in and out, and it's just so funny. Watch this. Isn't that adorable? I stopped at the grocery store on the way home to pick up a few things that we needed for dinner, and this mom just hopped into my cart. I couldn't resist any longer, you guys. So we're going to use this to make a centerpiece later on. Now that I'm home, I need to get my mopping done, so I'm going to use my O-Cedar Spin Mop, which I absolutely love. And as you can see, I am a Pine Sol girl. You have probably seen this mop before many times, but in case you haven't, I love the triangle shape of the mop itself. I love the fact that the mop head comes off easily. You can put it in the washer and get it clean, and then pops back on super easily. And this has got to be the most satisfying part of the whole mopping experience, of wringing out the water. And it does a really great job of making sure that your mop is not all super soppy and overly wet. And I just love it. I think it is so much fun to use. It is so handy, and it does such a great job. And then I also love that it has got a pivoting head, so I can wipe down my baseboards at the same time, which I think is super convenient. With my mopping done, I am now done cleaning, which makes me very happy. It's always great to have a nice clean house, but it's also fun to decorate. So I am going to put together a centerpiece for my counter. I found this adorable enameled pot along with two other ones for potatoes and onions, which I have been using in my pantry at Hobby Lobby. It was part of their spring and summer decor, so I got them like 70% off, and I've been using this vegetable one to bring in vegetables for my garden. But I thought it would look cute as a plant holder, and the mums fit into it perfectly, so I'm going to use it along with this cutting board as my base for a display. I found this glass pumpkin at the thrift store last year, and I'm super excited to be able to finally use it. I filled it with suckers. These are the green apple caramel suckers that my kids go crazy about. So I always buy a couple bags this time of year for them to snack on. So I'm going to add that as well as two small white pumpkins, and that is going to be my quick and easy display around the mums that I picked up from the grocery store today. I love its simplicity. It will get us in the fall spirit, and I think it's going to work out perfectly. Before I say goodbye for the day, I want to thank you for coming and hanging out with me today. I sure do appreciate it. Would love it if you could hit that thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.